Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by changing the slide orientation so content flows correctly in Portrait. First, open the presentation and go straight to the Design tab. Once there, click Slide Size and choose Custom Slide Size to reveal orientation choices. Select Portrait for slides and confirm the page dimensions you need, for example letter or A4. If prompted to scale existing content, decide now whether to maximize fit or ensure fit. Make sure to pick the option that preserves your layout best. Once the orientation is set, you need to fix templates so slides don't break. Go to View and open Slide Master to edit every layout in one place. You'll resize placeholders, move headers, and realign footers to suit the taller page. This prevents repeated manual fixes. Make sure fonts and spacing still look good in Portrait and update any two-column or content-heavy layouts to stack vertically instead. When done, close Master View so the changes apply to every slide automatically. Finish by reviewing every slide and nudging images, charts, and tables so they read top to bottom. Once done, export to PDF or print preview to confirm margins and scaling look correct. Make sure your printer settings match Portrait orientation. If content shifts or looks wrong, use Reset on individual layouts or return to Slide Master to realign placeholders. This often fixes stubborn misplacements. Finally, save a copy so you preserve both Portrait and original versions for future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.